How to turn off control center from lock screen on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable the control center from your lock screen. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down and you should see Face ID and passcode. Head over there. Now you can type in your password here, and after you type in your phone's password, you will see a lot of settings. You can scroll down, and after you scroll down, you will see allow access when locked. You will see control center, so simply turn this off. So now control center will not have access when it's locked. So now whenever your iPhone screen is locked, control center will not be accessible. And yeah, that is basically how you can do it. Now also here there are other settings. If you want to turn that off on your lock screen, you can do that as well. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on our channel, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.